You don't like five-finger death punch?
No.
Why not?
I don't know how to respond to that.
Finishing up this thing?
Trying to. You know.
The ported blower. So I guess we originally were only going to do we were only going to do a ported snout, and we did a ported blower and snout.
Yep.
What all else did we do? Heat exchanger?
Yep, Weapon X heat exchanger. The linear filter pump will go on next. With the ported blower and snout, we have the Convertible 245. It got the Metco idler. Got cat delete pipes.
Oh yeah, that's right. Headers or?
No, just cat delete pipes.
Okay.
Yeah, it was originally in for ported snout and pulley, but decided to do the ported blower, the heat exchanger, the pump.
You motherfucker.
And that's that. I'm going back together with it now. Now I'm going to do the pump.
Keeping the air raid?
Yeah, keeping the air raid for now.
No 5-inch jaunt?
No 5-inch.
It's so drony.
It is fairly.
I mean, when you're in it and you're at upper RPMs, it's not bad at all, but idle, it just echoes throughout this whole.
Yeah. I mean, probably the first time I've seen Floodmasters on a CTS-V.
Is it?
I don't think I've ever seen them before.
Exactly. Yeah, I don't think you're ready for American Idol there, buddy.
You're going to disrespect Matt like that? You should go back to your fucking home.
I'm just saying, I don't think he's ready for American Idol.
He sounds fine to me.
Well, you're also tone deaf, so.
I'm not tone deaf.
You're so angry.
Love it.
Hey, Beavis. Calm down, Beavis.
Beavis?
Your hair is looking like Beavis from Beavis the Butthead right now.
Beavis and the Butthead.
I said and
he
Butthead.
He said Beavis and the Butthead. No, you didn't. You said Beavis.
I'll replay the footage.
Yeah, can you do that right now?
Yeah. Nice try. Just replayed it back for Eric.
Nah, it certainly fucking sounds like it.
Thanks, Butthead. Appreciate it.
You know what it is. They call me Beavis and the Butthead.
I believe it. Let me know when this thing's done so we can wash this thing.
I'm keeping on, you know what I mean?
Filthy. Absolutely filthy. So Matthew.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I am taking a car apart.
And why are you doing that?
Gonna do some camshaft things.
Just want to do camshaft things with my friends.
Camshaft things with my friends.
Yes, but I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friend.
I'm gonna look at the clutch because it doesn't sound so hot.
Oh, this is the one that was rattling on the
It sounds like the
throw out
bearings getting ready to grenade.
Yes, it did.
So I'm just gonna take everything out because I'm assuming it's gonna clutch.
Okay. I'd assume so too.
Yeah.
I felt bad. I guess I forgot to put the graph on this baseline.
Oh really?
So I'll do that now. We had it up there. We had we did like 4 baselines.
Oh yeah, that was that day.
That was that day. So like I guess I forgot to put the graph on the screen. So
You'll have that.
it'll be right now.
But no, it's getting a head scan, but I think we're using his all the exhaust
Headers
it
and
already
stuff,
has,
yeah.
which
It's okay.
primaries are kind of small. Eric's putting one together, I'm taking one apart.
Yeah. And scene's just being seen.
Yeah, I don't even know what he's doing.
Scene's just doing scene things.
Love seeing things.
What kind of scene things are you doing?
Rewiring up the fuel pump that the guy had on here.
Yeah, so we
Burned up some wires.
went to go put this on the dyno, and it kept killing the battery. And I'm pretty sure fuel pump, yeah, cutting fuel, so we couldn't really make any pulls, so we had to take it back off the dyno. And rewire, I guess, some of the fuel stuff that was done previously.
Yeah, fuel switch. It melted one of these basically all the way through. So I'm gonna rewire it up our way.
Come on, Matt!
Dude, I get stage fright.
Oh, look, we got a little ketchup and mustard going on over here.
Ew. Now I can't look at his cars anymore.
Why?
Those two condiments are gross, especially
Ketchup and mustard, and look, you got a little mustard here, put a little ketchup. You just a little.
Did you hear that, Eric? No. He just called those two cars ketchup and mustard, and I gotta look at it for the rest of the day.
Ketchup and mustard. Yeah, how do you hate ketchup?
Hey, ketchup.
That's gross. Like, hating mayonnaise is one thing, because mayonnaise is gross, but hating ketchup is, it's just like not American.
Call it what you want. Red and it grosses me out.
Brad's red, and does he gross you out?
Say that in front of him.
Damn. That's messed up, man.
See ya.
On this episode of Pick on Matt and Scene and Eric, this concludes. Beavis in the butthead.
Are you the butthead?
He is the butthead. Beavis. I don't know who Beavis is. I guess Scene can be Beavis.
That's fitting.
This thing was tuned already.
Before we did stuff. Didn't it have headers and X-pipe and stuff?
I don't know.
It did.
Did it?
It did.
Oh.
Because it was loud. Like, it had headers, X-pipe, pretty sure no cats, so. We put it up on the dyno, we made guesses, and then he started it up and got in it. I'm like, no, that's definitely got something on it.
Gotcha.
Intake and stuff was all stock, but still stock intake manifold. The black one from North Carolina was
Yeah,
the
it's still
fast.
stock intake
Yeah,
manifold.
that's what I mean, yeah.
Stock air intake before though?
Yes. Stock air intake, but headers and X-pipe. Stock mufflers, obviously, still stock. A little warm in here again.
A little bit.
Hundo.
Hundo.
Hey, look at you.
Would you just look at me?
Just look at it. Look at you. You got friggin' drivetrain out already. Dude, this thing's
Do we have any of these upstairs? This thing, I don't like the way it
we
looks.
probably do.
Like Eric said, there's some there. I might try and swap that out for him.
This thing is a mess. Is it all this dirty when you pulled it off?
No, I took it off and then soaked it in oil.
You know what?
That was a good one.
You're hilarious. You're fitting in just fine. I hate you. I hate you so much. Look at you, even untorquing the correct method.
Yeah.
What a guy. What a guy. I don't even do that on my own car.
I probably wouldn't do it on my own car.
Oh.
Whoopsie. Always one.
Yeah.
One day I always hit stuff.
What you got going on?
Heads cam.
Oh, nice.
Gotta protect his signature or autograph.
What is it?
I don't know. There's somebody has like an autograph. He's got like an autograph on here.
Oh, yeah. It was probably one of those Camaro Fest events. I think they had a bunch of like bigwigs come out to those and sign people's cars so people like save them. That's my guess.
Yeah, I figured might as well cover it up.
Yeah.
So nothing happens.
Or you could just clear coat over it so it stays.
I'll leave that to you.
No, I'm not gonna clear coat something. It's a little heads candy.
Yep.
Sorry, it looks like it already had headers and stuff on it.
Yeah.
Headers and a little cold air inductions.
Yep.
Any other exhaust stuff? You haven't looked underneath.
I haven't really looked underneath all that much. Got me some haters.
So it's got a catted MagnaFlow
Yes.
setup.
It's all got to come down.
So I guess we did this before, so I'll have to dig up the numbers on it,
Yeah, see where it was at.
see where it was at. So that's good.
The whole car was actually in really good shape. Like the paint's in really good condition.
Yeah,
I don't know if he just had it repainted or something, but
I think it just keeps it clean and in garage and stuff. Even the plastic is
yeah. I mean,
like back to blacked. Warrior.
time to take the heads off.
Yeah, you do that without crushing me. Thanks.
Work on it.
So we are doing a clutch. I see you got a flywheel.
That's what it sounded like.
It's probably a good move.
Yeah. No, I don't like putting it back together the way it sounded before.
What was on it before?
I think it's a center force.
Oh, okay. good. Looks good. Yeah, Brad cleaned up the trans little. It was filthy before. Got it cleaned off. Cam coming out? Easy does it. C7Z is loud.
That is loud.
There you go. She free? Lube her up. Easy does it.
Spin that bitch.
I'm trying. It's so slippery.
That's what she said.